Hey everyone, this is Tim for YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go in and show you how to reset the login passcode for your PlayStation 5 account. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So on my account, I have an extra layer of security where I have to go ahead and enter in a passcode before I can log into my account. How would we go ahead and reset this if we forgot it? So I'm entering in my passcode right now. However, it's incorrect. Well, if we look in the bottom right side of the screen, it says forgot passcode. If we press options on our controller, it'll bring us to this page where we have our email address on the left, or we have the option to sign in and verify our account with the PlayStation application on the right. We just have to send a quick code, press it, and sign in. So on the left side of the screen though, if we have our sign-in email address and password, we can easily sign in. However, if we forgot our email address password, well, if we go to the bottom right side of the screen, once again, it says forgot password. If we press this, we can quickly send like an email verification and reset the password for our account. So if we go to next, it's going to send a quick email to that email address where we can reset our password for our email address, which will allow us to reset the passcode for our PlayStation 5 account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in using my email address right here, and let's type in my passcode. Okay, so it brings you to this page where you have to enter in a new passcode. So let's enter a new passcode in. And we have to enter it in a second time. Perfect. Now we're going to sign into our PlayStation 5 account. So that is how you reset your passcode. If you forgot it on your PlayStation 5, you have two different options: the PlayStation app or your email address and password. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.